Englishman in Malta here. How are you? Hope you're well wherever you are. Bloody hot in Malta. We're on the hunt for a cave. I love caves. This was a cave way back in the Roman times. In fact, it's inhabited, but they turned it into a grotto. Also, they sort of have some proof that burial, used for a burial as well. It's San Martin Cave, or Grotto San Martin. We're right by L-GÂR now. L-GÂR is just down here. This is the road going to Eindhoven, Golden Bay. You can keep going to L-GÂR this way. You're going to take this sign here, Wardija. It goes down this road here. I've never been here before. I was told it's very easy, a very straight road, until you come to the Grotta on the right hand side. Grotto in Maltese, it's like a sort of shrine to San Martin, was a saint obviously. Look at the area around here though, it's beautiful. There's a lot of vegetable people, a lot of fields. At the moment they're growing strawberries, loads and loads of strawberries in the fields. In fact, just coming down here you can smell them just with the window open. Sorry about the camera. I try and get myself into the camera, but the stick, I can't. I've tried all sorts of things. It's broken in the bottom of the camera. Tonight I'm going to try and glue it. Anyway, that's my problem. Let's go. We're going to try and find this place. San Martin Cave, or Grotta.
This is my island in the sun.
Driving down this road a little bit here. Let's have a look here. There's a nice field. You can smell beautiful. All this area is fantastic. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, strawberries are growing here. This whole field is full of strawberries. You can smell them. You can smell them from the road here. There's a lot of them here. Look. These are a bit small. Maybe they just picked them. Hey, look, is it a bit dry? This area, L-GÂR, is really well known for vegetables and fruits and all sorts of things. Look at the area, how beautiful it is. We're driving down this road, so you keep on driving. Just turn off the main road there by the L-GÂR market. Keep going straight. I'm sure we're going in that direction, just where that white van is. I've never been before, but he said to me, drive about 10 minutes down the road and you can come across it. So let's keep going. Hi guys, we found it. The road is a little bit twisty and turny up from L-GÂR there, but we found it okay. Here it is here. It's another cave. I can't resist caves. But this is a grotto dedicated to San Martin. I'll show you the history there. You want to pause it. 1931 it was converted into a grotto. Let's have a walk in. Beautiful and peaceful though, eh? Still having trouble with the camera. The selfie stick completely broke, so I'm in a dilemma what to do about it. It's beautiful and quiet here. This cave has got evidence that actually people lived in it in the Roman times. In Christmas time they do a presepio, like a Christmas crib. Oh, beautiful and cool down here. I don't know why we come across flies inside caves. Ooh, look at the flies. The Lord of the Flies. They're everywhere down here. Wow. They calmed down a bit. No, I didn't go near them. As I said before, guys, I'm not religious, but this is really nice to come and have a look around. Come to L-GʿAR on the road to Eindhoven. You see the sign for, I think it's St. Paul's Bay. I'll put it at the bottom. I can't remember exactly what it was signposted for. Oh, a lot of flies around here, though. Well, there's evidence from Roman times, and he's having basking in the sun. Hello. Ooh. Tiring, eh? On guard. Lots of flies around. Very peaceful here. They do mass here, I think, every so often. You can come and put a tribute if you want somebody to pray for you. Make a donation if you want. Wow, here is the, in this area is lots of flies. Lots of little crevices. Wow, it's nice down here. Little video for you in the week. I hope you can see me good, because I'm not sure now with the camera like this without the stick. It's a lovely peaceful area. Lots of cats around. Obviously they get fed. Okay guys, short video, show you this. San Martin cave, grotto. That's Grotto San Martin. I'm not sure, this is the road to Budnia, I think. I'll check and I'll put it underneath. But you can't miss if you get to L-GʿAR. You see the farmer's market. Just turn right there and come down here. It's a short drive, a bit small, so take care. Thanks guys, small video. Lots of history here from the Roman time. Nice place if you're stopping off on the way to the beach, or you're going. L-GʿAR is a great place to go and eat. There's a lot of restaurants there if you want to eat fennec, if you want to eat rabbit. Okay guys, thanks a lot. See you soon. Englishman in Malta.
I'm an Englishman from Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.